What if I told you that you could start making money today without showing your face, spending a single dollar, or having any special skills? Sounds crazy, right? Well, stay with me because I'm about to show you how to turn free AI tools into a $20,000 a month passive income stream. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing notifications of money rolling in from a podcast or YouTube channel without ever recording your voice or filming a single second of footage. This is the power of AI, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's dive in. Now, here's the exciting part. This strategy revolves around an AI tool that is 100% free to use. Yes, you heard that right. You won't have to spend a single penny to get started, and yet the earning potential is massive. The best part? You don't need any prior experience, technical skills, or even a website to make this work. At AI Automation Cohort, we explore everything related to making money online, uncovering real, actionable strategies that have been tested and proven to work. The goal is to equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to build a sustainable income from the comfort of your home. But here's something crucial to keep in mind. Your mindset plays a huge role in your success. Strategies and tools are powerful, but they only work if you stay consistent and take action. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future money-making methods. As I mentioned earlier, we'll be leveraging a completely free AI tool that can streamline your workflow and maximize your earning potential. This AI is called NotebookLM, and it's developed by Google. Let's break down exactly how you can use it to start making money right away. What is NotebookLM? According to its official description, NotebookLM was designed to help users make sense of complex information. Once you upload your sources, it instantly processes and organizes the data, essentially becoming an expert on that material. Additionally, it offers an innovative feature called Audio Overview, which turns documents into engaging discussions. With a single click, two AI hosts engage in a deep dive conversation based on your uploaded content, summarizing key points, drawing connections, and engaging in back and forth dialogue. To access the tool, simply click the link or head to your browser, search for NotebookLM, and click on the appropriate result. Since this is a Google product, access is seamless and user-friendly. Now, there are multiple ways to earn money using NotebookLM, but in this tutorial, I'll be walking you through two effective methods. Firstly, look at this podcast.
On just the spreadsheets and the stock tickers to explore all those different career paths it unlocks.
Yeah.
We're joined by our expert to kind of help us delve into some insights from the University of Texas at El Paso's, renowned program.
Awesome. Yeah, I think, a lot of times when people think about finance, they think, oh, it's just number crunching.
Right.
But it's so much more than that. It's really about understanding the flow of money, the decisions businesses are making, and ultimately how the entire financial world ticks,
So let's get down to brass tacks.
Yeah.
What does a finance major equip you to actually do?
So at its core, a finance major is about giving you the tools and knowledge to...
You can easily make this kind of podcast through Google NotebookLM. With Google NotebookLM, you can transform any content into a podcast. This could include spreadsheets, stock market trends, or even finance-related insights. For example, experts from renowned institutions such as the University of Texas at El Paso, it's about understanding how money moves, business decisions, and the overall financial ecosystem. Now let's get started. The audio clip in the podcast video you just saw now was generated using Google NotebookLM. As you might have noticed, it plays like a podcast with two speakers. Don't worry, I'll be showing you a unique method to monetize this audio. But before we get into that, let me guide you through the setup process. This AI tool supports three types of uploads: Google Drive documents, website links, and YouTube videos. These are collectively referred to as sources. I tested all three, and each one worked flawlessly. Now you can create content by sharing your opinions on trending topics, reviewing best-selling books, or summarizing popular articles in your niche. To begin, simply click Upload. I already have a PDF file about finance that I sourced online. If you're wondering where to find such articles, there are various platforms that host bestsellers and trending books in different genres. Many of these books are available on Amazon, making them ideal for content reviews that attract significant traffic. Once you upload your document, NotebookLM will generate a summary. Click Proceed, and depending on your internet speed and file size, you may need to wait a few moments. And just like that, your AI-generated audio is ready.
Hey everyone, and welcome to today's deep dive. Ever imagine yourself at the heart of the financial world?
Today, we're going to unpack.
Now let's move on to the YouTube Source feature. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Yes, this means you can review virtually any YouTube video, including movies. By leveraging this feature, you can create content around trending movies or any type of video without any copyright concerns. The best part? You can monetize this content on multiple platforms. I'll head over to YouTube and search for movies. You can search for anything you like. I'll pick a random hour-long video, copy the link, and paste it into NotebookLM. Once analyzed, the AI will generate a detailed summary, cutting down a full-length movie into a concise, reviewable format. So far, we've covered 2 monetization methods, book reviews and movie reviews. Here's a bonus tip. Consider creating content in the entertainment or news niche. Whether it's celebrity gossip, trending influencers, upcoming events, or politics, there's an endless stream of topics to explore. Simply choose a niche and focus on consistently producing similar content. Now, you're probably wondering, how do you actually start making money with these AI-generated audios? There are several ways. 1. Podcasts. Monetize your content on platforms like Patreon. 2. YouTube and Facebook videos. Upload as a video instead of a podcast and work toward meeting the monetization criteria. Since this is still a relatively new method, you'll want to tap into this opportunity before the market becomes saturated. If you're hesitant about appearing on camera, don't worry. You can create a faceless channel or podcast. Most podcasts are audio only anyway. However, if you prefer having a face on your videos, that's great too. It might require a small investment and some learning, but it's worth it. Head over to Audacity and download it. It's free. If needed, watch a tutorial for installation. Open Audacity and import your audio file. Duplicate the track and label one for the female speaker and the other for the male. Now zoom in for better precision. As the audio plays, mute the male speaker's voice on the female's track and do the same on the male's track. Don't delete anything. Instead, highlight the unwanted sections. Go to Effects, Volume and Compression. Set loudness below -100 and apply. Repeat until each track contains only one speaker. Next, export both tracks as MP3 files. Then, apply noise reduction to remove background sounds. Highlight a section with background noise. Go to Effects, Noise Reduction, click Get Noise Profile, and apply it to all blank spaces. This ensures a clean and professional quality audio output. Now let's create the video. Decide if you want an animated avatar, a photorealistic AI character, or another visual style. Wondershare Verbo offers several AI-generated avatars, categorized for marketing, education, news, and more. Choose one that fits your theme. If desired, use 11 labs to refine the voice, making it more engaging and natural. Upload the cleaned audio to Wondershare Verbo. Apply it to your chosen avatar and export the video. Once you have both speaker versions, merge them in a video editor. Any software will work, but since Wondershare Verbo streamlines most of the process, I'll finalize everything in Canva. Finally, head over to canva.com to refine your video. Choose a suitable podcast or YouTube template. Upload your AI-generated video clips and arrange them in an aesthetically pleasing layout. This is a strategy that's already helping people make money, and now you have everything you need to start taking action and replicating their success. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What do you think about this strategy? Are you excited to give NotebookLM a try? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I make sure to read every single one. Your feedback not only helps me improve future content, but also fosters a community where we can all learn and grow together. And of course, if you found this tutorial valuable, do me a quick favor, hit that like button. It helps more people discover this method and motivates me to keep bringing you the best money-making strategies out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Okay.
Going beyond just the spreadsheets and the stock tickers to explore all those different career paths it unlocks.
Yeah.
We're joined by our expert to kind of help us delve into some insights from the University of Texas at El Paso's, renowned program.
Awesome. Yeah, I think, a lot of times when people think about finance, they think, oh, it's just number crunching.
Right.
But it's so much more than that. It's really about understanding the flow of money, the decisions businesses are making, and ultimately how the entire financial world ticks,
So let's get down to brass tacks.
Yeah.
What does a finance major equip you to actually do?
So at its core, a finance major is about giving you the tools and knowledge to analyze and strategize around financial resources. So it's not just about the number crunching, which is definitely a part of it,
Right.
but it's about learning how to interpret those numbers, identifying trends, and then using that knowledge to maybe advise on investments, maybe manage portfolios, or even navigate things like mergers and acquisitions.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a lot more dynamic than I think a lot of people realize.
Yeah.
It sounds like you need a really unique blend of analytical skills, but then also that strategic thinking.
Exactly. And that's something that